Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the QuickBooks Mileage Tracker. To begin, first enable the mileage tracking feature in your QuickBooks Online settings. Next, download the QuickBooks Self-Employed mobile app to your phone. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Finally, make sure to grant the app permission to access your location services. This crucial step allows the app to automatically detect and record your business trips, saving you valuable time and effort. Once set up, the QuickBooks app automatically tracks your drives using your phone's GPS. It intelligently identifies potential trips, logging the start and end points, and calculating the distance. If you prefer, you can also manually add a trip by simply entering the details yourself. This flexibility ensures every mile is accounted for, whether you're driving a few blocks or hundreds of miles for business. After a trip is recorded, you'll need to categorize it. Simply swipe left for personal or right for business within the app. You can also add important details like the trip's purpose or the client you visited. This categorization is vital for distinguishing deductible business mileage from personal travel. Make it a habit to review your trips regularly, perhaps once a week, to keep your records precise and up to date. The ultimate goal of tracking mileage is for tax deductions. QuickBooks allows you to generate comprehensive mileage reports directly from your online account. These reports provide a clear summary of your business mileage, making tax preparation much simpler. You can use these figures to claim the standard mileage rate, which is a significant deduction for many self-employed individuals. Ensure all your business miles are accurately recorded to maximize your potential savings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.